More and more owner-operators and fleets are adopting a new tech every day, and one of the best pieces of equipment you can add are dash cams. I sat down with Lisk, VP of Safety Service at Lytx, a company that specializes in dash cams, to find out how those cameras can protect your drivers, your trucks, and even your bottom line. What is Lytx?
We capture driving behavior. So many times we capture drivers doing exactly the right things. And there's other times we capture drivers either intentionally or unintentionally making mistakes and doing the wrong thing. Something happens out there, or someone claims something happened out there, and it's not the accurate story. Well, the video many times will protect the driver and also protect the company if it's a company driver.
Well, what is one last parting bit of information that you want to share with everyone before we wrap it up here?
I can't tell you how many drivers I've had later on come back to me and say, "Wow, Del, I never realized I was doing that." They wanted to be a good driver. They thought they were a great driver. They were. But they recognized, I didn't realize that I looked too long in my right mirror when I'm making a turn, and all sorts of just little subtle flaws that otherwise will catch up. Regarding inside view, for those that are uncomfortable with it, completely understand. I fully believe that if you give it a try, and after just a couple of weeks, 3 weeks, you'll find out that it's really no big deal at all. And somewhere down the line, it may save your bacon.
Tell us about that website, where they can go to find you guys.
You can go to Lytx.com, Lytx.com. There's a wealth of information about the product and examples of how it can benefit.
Well, thank you for joining us. We appreciate it, and I'm sure we'll be talking to you again soon.